m'enverras des vidéos, me dire que tu gagnes.
Give mamie bisous, Sarah. Bisous à mamie. Sarah, give mamie bisous.
Bisous à Taylor.
Elle m'a juste montré comme quoi tu lui as piqué les bobos.
Au revoir. Sarah, elle m'a dit au revoir, maman. Tu restes avec mamie? You staying with mamie? Ouais. You stayed with grandma.
Tu vas partir.
Bon, bisous.
Tu vas partir.
Rentrez bien.
Oui. Et prends soin de toi, hein?
Ouais. Fais bisous à ta cousine.
Bisous.
Sarah, bisous à Kenzo.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Bisous. Mouah.
Papa, my candy's gonna fall in my pocket.
I'm gonna take them. Bisous.
Sarah, elle m'a montré qu'elle
Bon courage pour faire le mien.
Oui, merci. What is she doing?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Look at these two. Look at these two. Look at these two. We're going home today. It's the last day. Sit, let mama give a tablet.
Et souvent, comme elle est plus petite, elle ne comprend pas tout à fait.
Tu l'as pas coiffé?
Des fois, je veux dire, les autres, ils vont l'expliquer.
Viens, on lui fait une couette.
Look at baby avec tata.
Elle a sa logique.
Tata. Auntie got her this doll yesterday. She just hang on to the doll. You turn it? I feel you good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's the last day here. We're leaving in a few hours, and there's a bunch of noise with these kids in this house. And I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. So babe and my sister-in-law just gone to get McDonald's. McDonald's is literally just beside this house. So they're going to come back. So in the meantime, I'm here listening to these cousins play away. And I'm gonna try and work in the midst of all of this. While mama work on something for babe. Yeah, so we're just here. Always sad to leave whenever we come to visit, but we gotta go back to our lives and to work and such. But the holiday was amazing. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog while we spend the last few hours with the family and then head back to Nice. Journey back to Nice. With all our fandangles. Oh my god, so many gifts. So many gifts. It's crazy. Look at them. Look at them. Say hello, Sarah. Sarah, say hey. Look at her. Look at Tyler. And his cousin. Do some more, Tyler and Kenzo.
Téléportation. Préservation. Téléportation. 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 Bouclier.
What they playing now?
Mais tu sais, par contre, Pyrobit c'est le deuxième plus fort. En fait, Polka c'est le quatrième plus fort. Pyrobit c'est le deuxième plus fort. Mito c'est le troisième plus fort. Pyrobit il est plus fort que Mito. Alors avec ballon brûlant, tu peux casser.
Happy campers. Lunch has arrived. Yummy? Yeah.
L'odeur, elle est bonne.
Une paille.
Tu veux une
Sarah,
paille?
tu veux une
Honey?
paille? Non, merci.
Show for the kids or no?
Sarah, tu veux une paille?
Ok, ouais.
Tiens, pour Sarah.
Oh,
Tiens,
Tiens,
look.
regarde la rose pour toi. Donne-moi un pour moi aussi. Encore un, juste au cas où.
Tyler, il en veut pas une?
Oui, donne-moi
Le
une.
jus à Tyler, il est là.
Give him his juice now. You can have a little bit.
You clean the table, I mean, with our toys, that's what was wondering too. C'est quoi le gros sandwich que là? Non, je sais pas.
Just a little bit, Thai.
C'est quand même plus... Tiens, je sais pas si tu veux. Tu vois la différence entre le...
Eat now.
Le McDonald's et le... C'est le Burger King où les sandwichs sont beaucoup plus gros.
Put the juice down and eat. Eat chicken.
Je préfère. À McDonald's, les frites sont meilleures en général.
On enverra des vidéos, me dire que tu gagnes.
Give mamie bisous, Sarah. Bisous à mamie. Sarah, give mamie bisous.
Bisous à Taylor.
Elle m'a juste montré comme quoi tu lui as piqué les bonbons. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Sarah, elle m'a dit au revoir, maman. Tu restes avec mamie? You staying with mamie? Ouais. You stayed with grandma.
Tu vas partir.
Bon, bisous.
Tu vas partir.
Entrez bien.
Oui. Et prends soin de toi, hein?
Ouais.
Fais un bisou à ta cousine.
Bisous.
Sarah, bisous à Kenzo.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Bisous. Mwah.
Mama, my candy's gonna fall in my pocket.
I'm gonna take them. Bisous.
Sarah, elle m'a montré qu'elle
Bon
avait
courage
rien
pour
dans les
dormir.
poches.
Oui, merci. What is she doing? Come, open here and put the bonbon in there. Close it.
T'as ta Nintendo.
Tu veux un? Tu veux un bonbon, Kenzo?
Tu as le chargeur.
Je sais pas. Maman, you have a charge of my Nintendo.
Non, mais là, je l'ai
I'm not for sure because I'm not checking this bag.
Oui, mais tu vas l'ouvrir après.
What should I check?
In the big part.
Oh, for the Nintendo.
All good things must come to an end. We are back, yes? And look at her, back like she never left. In her dress. What is that? What you have in your hand?
It's birthday, Sarah.
It's birthday for Sarah. Okay. Anyway, you guys, we're back, and you guys know that when we go on trips, as we step into this house, we have to pack up right away. And it's a good thing I wear my pajamas to return, so I'm comfy as I get in. Give it to Mama. It's for Papa.
Papa?
Yes, biscuit in it. You see, look. You want one? Yes, it's biscuit. No, I'm giving it to Papa. Anyway, you guys, we're back and I jumped right into the kitchen because we didn't pick up any food on our way home and there was nothing here to eat.
Do that with the color?
No, don't put that in it.
Wow.
It's from no one package.
Merci.
And I'm whipping up a quick dinner. I'm not even making any veggies tonight. I did some pasta for the kids. I did some rice for baby and I. And I'm doing some steak haché, the quick and easiest thing. Under 15 minutes. And good to go. Good to go. Back to basics. Like we never left. Like we never left. So keep pot bubbling. Some eggs. We like to eat eggs with her. Some burger meat. So that's going over there. And I have a little rice happening here. And I already did the pasta and that's gonna be dinner. Hi, Princess. Prin. Sarah. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? What are you wearing? You wearing a dress? Yeah. Stella must put on Naruto. Stella don't want to put on his Naruto right now. She think every time she put on her dress, Stella is to put on his Naruto. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to finish up looking after the Kanban dinner and we'll catch you guys later. And I must say, since I'm taking the antibiotics, my throat has been feeling so much better. It's day 2 of taking it and I'm already almost back to my old self. So we home and trying out on a Tyler game for. Oh, so this is the labyrinth on the back.
So there's one extra piece, Tyler. You need not. Si tu perds un comme ça, if you lose one, you can't play anymore.
If you lose one, you can't play anymore.
No, because they have to be full.
Okay, so you understand what Papa is saying? So try not to lose any of the pieces ever.
One. The extra one is the one that you use when you move. For example, you're here, you want to move, and you're here and you block. Okay, you're gonna move and make a way like this. So that's why you can do your way.
It's like a maze. So we're trying to figuring out the rules of the maze, and everybody's all in. Sarah, you ready? Yeah.
Okay,
everybody's getting better with their little sickness. So team play. Who is that?
Okay, normally everybody don't look. We put back all of our Pokemon just that way.
Oh, so I have to turn it around?
Yes.
Oh, so all of them are Pokeballs, or I don't know what's on?
No, they're all Pokemon in, but they are all different.
Something different is on the other side.
Yeah, what you're doing is you look at your Pokemon, and you look in the maze where it is, but you don't say it to nobody.
Is this they call Pokemon Go?
No, Pokemon Go is the play that you play on
your phone. Okay.
So, for example, Sarah, you have this one. You have to. Normally, you don't show it to nobody. Il faut le trouver ici. Trouve-le.
Look for this one, Sarah. Look for it.
Il est où?
Where it is?
Oh, she found it.
Ici. Okay.
So she's to do what?
You just touch it. Don't take it.
Put.
Pas le prendre. D'accord?
Okay.
You just have to look where you need to go.
And then what? Sarah is all in. All when we're tired. This is fun. Sarah said, go where she found the object.
Papa, regarde. Il trouvé.
Good job.
She tell Papa that she found it.
It's like look.
Look at your face.
Oh, je l'ai trouvé, moi. Mais on m'a trouvé.
Look for it. Be careful, Sarah.
Somewhere here. Bravo.
You guys, you see all this chocolate that come back in this house from Christmas gifts? These were all in Christmas gifts. Look at that. Chocolate. And I still have some chocolate here from Halloween. And I still have chocolate here from last Christmas. Can you imagine? Look at that. And not to mention these boxes of chocolates. The French life. Holiday has come to an end. We're back home. Everybody is in bed and I'm back to eating Christmas cake. Anyway, you guys, I'm heading to bed right now. Tomorrow's another day. Holiday is done, so back to basics. The kids have 4 days before they go back to school, so we're getting back into the tune of things. Hopefully you guys enjoy all the little holiday vlogs that we had to show you guys, bits and pieces of what we were up to, which I'm sure you did enjoy. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and get ready for another vlog tomorrow. See you guys. I'm out.